Over 50 old folks over 75 years around the island were called to celebrate their lives today at the Millennium Hall in Alofi. An initiative by NEVET endorsed and supported by government and Minister of Community Affairs to recognize the old folks' years of development of our language, the art of weaving, the talents of those that of old that has created and developed our taonga, our identity. According to one of the organizing committees, the importance of recognizing the beginning of Niue's developments and those involved is significant.
To recognize the efforts of our old people that has put in this country during the days of their lives in order to make Niue the way it is now for everybody to enjoy.
Looking at how difficult their lives were, now to you, what is the one thing that was really important to them that is, I guess, remembered and recognized today?
One of the things that has come out from the speakers is the hard life. It's through the hard life that Niue has become the way Niue is, and it gives truth to the mention that must be some of the reasons why our Niue people have left this country, because of the hard life, and they have decided to go and live elsewhere where they think there is no hard life. But that is the message I see coming out today. It's the hard life, but it also gives truth to something that I heard before. It's a saying, no sweat, no sweet.
Not only is recognition and appreciation important, but according to Kimray, the ability to portray one's life story is very important and should be embraced.
We don't record things that happens in this country, but it's just from word of mouth that we tend to make things known. And we realize that is one of the shortfalls in how we live our life in this country, or how we know things the way they happen. And that's we were trying to see if we can be able to get out from the old people, how they have shaped Niue the way it is now.
The day also included the display and story of the Kilikili Ho that was demonstrated by the Taonga Niue staff. The Minister of Community Affairs, NEVET and committee of today's event would like to express their sincere gratitude and whakawela mahaki to everyone that made the day a success. But most of all, whakawela mahaki to the older generations who have brought us a long way.